And we're live.
Hey, Dr. Rice here.
Dr. Hogan.
Health Pro Chiropractic coming at you. Just wrapped up our
Fight Gone Bad.
Yeah, with a little heavier weight. Just got to level up once in a while. But yeah, coming at you with some successes in the clinic. Just trying to highlight the things that happen on a pretty regular basis. And, one really cool one, patient with lumbar disc pathology, kind of degenerative condition going on in there. Had been previously going to kind of orthopedic, PT, hasn't been doing any chiro at all whatsoever. And after about 6 months, might have been a little bit longer than that, had only, improved by about 50%. And we just wrapped up our 12th visit with this individual, which usually spans about a month in time. And pretty predictably, for about probably 99% of the patients that we see, maybe even a little higher, maybe 99.95% of the patients that we see in the office, usually around that time, there's a 75 to 100% reduction in symptoms. And this person was no different than that. About a 90% reduction in symptoms. And, from what we spoke on earlier, she'd only, this person had only gotten to about a 50% improvement in symptoms throughout the entirety of about 6 months of orthopedic PT and steroid injections, things of that nature. So we got something good going on. You got to check us out. Another patient I was talking to, who's been coming in for about 5 years. We were able to help her with her first pregnancy, getting through that pretty good. We're also real good at that. But this person in particular, I was just chatting about her headache frequency, and she had about 35 years of pretty chronic, severe migraine headaches. And I was like, so when did those stop? And she's like, oh, well, when I started coming here. So she's been essentially headache free for about 5 years now, after a 35-year history of severe migraine headaches. She still's got the emergency meds if things do kind of happen, but she basically hasn't had one, for the bulk of that 5-year period. So, or at least, maybe a handful, but like compared to what they were before, holy moly. So
I'd like to share another success.
Yeah, hit it
I've
up, man.
seen a young officer came in with acute low back pain and numbness all down their leg, so they couldn't feel one side of their leg. Losing balance and coordination and strength in it. And just in a handful of adjustments, we haven't even got through any of the corrective care yet. He's starting to get feeling back in his leg. The pain, the numbness, the tingling is all going away. And this was just like 3 or 4 adjustments so far. And he's having incredible results.